isn't that convenient? Holy shit, that's laughing at me. First try! Gonna take the transmission out. I was flip-flopping whether or not to actually keep it in before getting the body lift all built, but I decided I want to take it out because I need to make some measurements of some parts in the hubs themselves. So what I did is I moved the ratchet straps from the suspension towers where I had them when I took the engine out. That video will be right here if you were curious to watch it. What I did instead was mount it onto the body up here, and that way it's supporting it that way. And then what I'm going to do is use the jack to support the back side of it, and then I'm going to undo these bolts right here. It's just these two that are keeping the transmission in there. So let's freaking do it, dude. So, got it pulled down there, and all I need to do is relieve it from the straps and then gently place it upon the ground. We'll see how well I can do once again, failed to make an outro. Everything went fine. I ended up just storing it. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. If you made it this far, hit that like button. Subscribe. Again, if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you next time. Stay rusty.